Ingarenok oluka pugan kalu e kanisa kalu atekerin kesi alimo kin aikeun akironu itolitolete e pugaelo ajokan koteso. Apollo kiniton eriongetelo mam erailo apugan Public Affairs Center Uganda Arebona Park ipadechasika said Benson Ekwe ngesi abu iner apele kineta anu aurianete kana.
Issue one, why we said electoral process reforms were important, was the emerging issues, the current realities we have. You find that in Uganda, we always have bloody transitions. Right from 1967 up to today, we have never got a peaceful transition from one leader to another, from one president to another, from one political party to another. Always it is violent and bloodletting. So the other issue, so we say there must be something that should be done to check that. We have the issue of commercialization of politics. It is a current thing. We have the issue of emerging directives, presidential directives that are now coming. It seems there is a breaking up of the control measures put in place to regulate the way executive power is exercised and the way legislative power by parliament is exercised.
Ingarenok kicheda ineritos.
Ipuakiro no nerinoi konye na kuronga shalamikini. Nyesa kiroto na ITIDISIARAI enambali members of parliament. Tomabeti ipo ni members of parliament. Ida omishoit na temarebe yangini district oja uno si MPs yare. Aberu kede kilokit anwe district kere. Era omishoit na joke. Konye anyu nebe e cabinet nara IMINISTAN da ITIDISIARAI namba nara ipogo ngunu da. Au mishoit bubona joke ngesi na tebe. Oseku na ingunu wamera si MPs orautu IMINISTAN.
Itunga kere ni doro se base be. EKOTOSI IMINISTAN orai kingana members of parliament. Na ara tunga member of parliament ngambe chama kinaswa muke IMINISTAN na keswa. Na yare kini etwane kamera kede term limits. Ereketu nkosinya kunai. Orai term limits nwage aro kuju ayanga toni kwap ne jelo si wan. Oma mere president bon. So itengin bali borne pon. Obundo jo akene kamera kede ajula kinache abungata to constitution. Na esimikiti tunalwo kwap anyakuna member of parliament adokutana na ijaoni ijai monyonginda
konya minister na ichorin ka agaria ido orai apejono na ngosibib Helena doa nesi abu igang aina petanu atuko kini ao mission itunga kalu egelegela tetere itemo kinere eipugae
bori jai kiti so kwape I politicians igwela sea kapara shano e campaign oso di bobo ije de case ai twasami kapun Rocky show ai na ara ikwapi kostunga mama pugani mame ponele perra pugana ngaraki no sodi ngaraki sijitu nkoto jada ngaraki sidumunjo beji kapuna lomo sodi ibore inakini soda ilosi arai ai gwele arai kati je kinjo de tunga kipo matar telo pote ngaraki ni je campaign na arai kwa na ijala kijo obuiche ngine se uno so dumun jobe jaido so de la gana itamata kipi de mame politiko kina jono arai mamu ekisile de ngari noi so joka itiko kini na arai ngongari so da garama yatakini kekedo itete so ije ikapunu o parliament konyi kapunu ngun kopa na MPs lo ipo adota pese nini no mamuji ngoliarda
Anuka TV East Solomon Ramu Koibuga Soroti.